Have you noticed how the world of cars is getting quieter? Not your imagination. Not long ago, electric cars were quirky, slightly strange cousins. They were small, limited, a niche for the environmentally conscious. But something has shifted. The quiet hum of electric motors has moved from side streets to grand boulevards. The idea of a luxury car is being rewritten. Power comfort status. The roar of a V8 is no longer the only sound of prestige. A new silence has arrived. Top brands are racing to build the most stunning, powerful, tech-forward electric vehicles. We will explore how electric vehicles are impacting the luxury car industry, the brands leading the charge, and what the future holds for these eco-conscious, high-performance vehicles. So, what separates a regular electric car from a luxury electric car? It's more than just a higher price tag. Any kitchen can make you toast, but a gourmet kitchen has the tools to create a culinary masterpiece. A luxury EV is the gourmet kitchen of the car world. It takes the basic, brilliant concept of electric power and elevates it with an obsessive focus on comfort, craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology. It's a vehicle that aims to pamper its occupants while delivering a driving experience that feels truly special and effortless, all without a single drop of gasoline. At its core, a luxury electric vehicle is a masterful blend of two worlds. It has the soul of a high-end limousine or grand tourer, with all the creature comforts you'd expect. Supple seats that feel like a fine armchair, a cabin so quiet you can hear your own thoughts, and materials that are exquisite to the touch. But married to this traditional luxury is the heart of a futuristic machine. This includes a powerful electric powertrain, consisting of one or more electric motors and a large, high-capacity battery. The goal isn't just to move you from point A to point B, but to make the journey itself an event. These cars are packed with huge, vibrant touchscreens, concert hall quality sound systems, and advanced driver assistance features that can steer, accelerate, and brake for you in certain conditions. The race to dominate the luxury EV market has attracted some of the biggest and most respected names alongside some daring newcomers. Each brand brings its own unique flavor, creating a diverse and exciting landscape for buyers. Tesla has been at the forefront of the electric car revolution, and their Model S continues to be a standout in the luxury EV segment. The Model S Plaid, with its 1,020 horsepower and 0-60 mph in under 2 seconds, offers unmatched acceleration and innovative technology. Features such as full self-driving and autopilot underline its tech-first approach. Lucid Motors is making waves with the Lucid Air. With a range of up to 520 miles on a single charge and a 0-60 mph time of 2.5 seconds, it is a powerful competitor. It also offers a luxury interior with a spacious cabin and high-end materials. Porsche entered with the Taycan, a performance-focused electric sedan offering up to 750 horsepower and 0-60 mph in 2.4 seconds. It delivers Porsche's signature handling and a luxurious interior. Mercedes-Benz has embraced the electric future with the EQ series, notably the EQS sedan with over 500 horsepower, and the dashboard-spanning MBX Hyperscreen. Comfort and technological grandeur define the experience. Brands like Tesla, Lucid, Porsche, and Mercedes-Benz are defining the future of luxury EVs, combining luxury, performance, and sustainability. They're not just building cars. They're crafting statements on wheels. The luxury electric vehicle market is thriving, and it's clear that electric power is no longer just for mass-market cars. While traditional luxury cars rely on internal combustion engines, EVs deliver power in a completely different way. Electric motors provide instant torque, meaning luxury EVs can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in a matter of seconds. For example, the Tesla Model S Plaid achieves 0-60 mph in under 2 seconds. Without the vibrations and noise of a traditional engine, EVs offer a quieter, smoother ride. With no gears to shift, power delivery is one seamless, uninterrupted flow. Performance-oriented motors, dynamic suspension systems, and active aerodynamics elevate driving dynamics. The Porsche Taycan is a perfect example that combines high-performance driving with luxury features. EVs feature regenerative braking, which recovers energy during deceleration and sends it back into the battery. It enhances performance and energy efficiency. Luxury EVs offer instant torque, smooth acceleration, and regenerative systems that redefine the driving experience. A different kind of thrill, immediate, silent, and effortlessly potent. Beyond sheer speed, there is the quality of the ride. The serene, calming environment elevates the sense of luxury. Luxury EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions, contributing to cleaner air and a reduction in greenhouse gases. This has a direct and positive impact on air quality, especially in dense urban areas. Electric motors are far more energy efficient than internal combustion engines. A Tesla Model S can achieve an energy efficiency rating of around 4.0 miles per kilowatt-hour. Manufacturers are incorporating sustainable materials like recycled aluminum and natural leather alternatives. Brands are utilizing renewable energy in factories and reducing waste in production lines. Luxury electric vehicles offer high performance while contributing to a more sustainable automotive future. By reducing emissions, improving energy efficiency, and using sustainable materials, these vehicles align indulgence with responsibility. As battery technology improves, expect longer ranges, faster charging, and lighter weight. Solid-state batteries promise a leap in performance. Replenishing hundreds of miles in minutes will make EVs even more convenient. Many luxury EVs already incorporate semi-autonomous features, with fully autonomous systems on the horizon. Enhanced connectivity will enable vehicle-to-vehicle communication and integrated smart home technology. Sustainability will remain at the core, from materials to manufacturing and beyond. The future promises more advanced technology, greater efficiency, and stronger sustainability commitments, making luxury EVs increasingly attractive for eco-conscious buyers. For electric vehicles to truly succeed, they need a robust and convenient ecosystem to support them. Governments and private companies are investing billions to build fast charger networks. Chargers are appearing along highways and in cities. Luxury brands are creating premium charging experiences, sometimes with complimentary charging. Home charging is easier and more affordable. Many owners wake up to a full battery. Over-the-air updates can diagnose and even fix issues remotely, reducing service visits. Powerful apps monitor charging, preheat or pre-cool cabins, and plan trips with charging stops. This maturing support system makes the switch to electric easier and more appealing than ever, especially in the luxury segment. The definition of a status symbol is evolving. Innovation, sustainability, and a unique driving experience are moving to the forefront. Silent, instant acceleration is a powerful, addictive sensation that gasoline cars can't replicate. Cutting-edge interfaces and driver assistance make these cars feel like state-of-the-art technology you can drive. Zero tailpipe emissions signal success aligned with responsibility. The luxury EV projects an image that is modern, intelligent, and mindful of the future. The world of luxury automobiles is at a historic turning point. The fusion of high-end luxury with electric power is no longer a question of if, but how fast. Not just greener, in many ways, simply better cars, with breathtaking performance and serene comfort. Better batteries, faster charging, and autonomous advances will define the next chapter. For those who demand the very best, the future of luxury is quiet and powerfully electric. The revolution is here to stay.